Tiger? Y'all want to talk about Tiger? Hold on, my grill falling out. Hey, my grill is real. My grill is real. Don't worry about nothing. SOD money gang. You should have changed, cuz. On blood, I'm from Bompton. Big Draco, nigga. Look at my ice. Gucci headband. I need to wash this Gucci headband. Ain't nobody finna tell me nothing about my Gucci headband. I could buy 1,000 of them. I could buy 1,000 Gucci headbands. Y'all mad cause y'all broke. Gucci? You wanna talk about, I am the reason why Gucci is where it is. Wasn't nobody wearing Gucci before Soulja started wearing Gucci. Look, back in 2006, y'all gonna respect my name. Y'all gonna give me credit where credit is due, period. What's up, y'all? It ain't the Tastemakers channel no more. This is Soulja Boy. Soulja Boy took over the Tastemakers channel, you feel me? SOD money gang. If you got a problem with it, you know what I'm saying, that's too bad. So today I'm about to be taking over her hair channel, her hair tutorial. If you thought you was about to see her, nigga, it's me. Alright, hey y'all, I'm so sorry about that. Soulja Boy, sometimes he just be tripping. I don't know why he thought he could just come on my YouTube channel and just take over like that. Okay guys, so today I have a bob. I got a bob from Amazon, believe it or not. And it's from this company called Lanyi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I believe it's something like that. It's like Lanyi. I think it is Lanyi, because it can't be Lanyi. I don't know. But anyway, this is the bob right here. So the only thing that I've done was bleach the knots. I washed it and then I flat ironed it out. So it is flat iron. I mean, it's a couple little kinks in there, but you know, who's judging? You. Anyway, so here's the inside construction of the wig. It is probably like a 13 by 4 here, and then the rest of this is just edges. Like, it's not even nothing there to part. So you pretty much, it's almost like having just a closure. It's almost like wearing a closure unit. So anyway, it does have adjustable straps here in the back. And it has some combs here on the side, so it's 4 combs. I mean, you guys can see them, one on this side, one on this side, one at the top, and one here. Typically I would cut these out, but I had put the wig on earlier, and when I was flat ironing it out, and the combs weren't really bothering me. I actually couldn't even tell that they were there, and you guys know how much I hate combs. So yeah, there's that. So what I'm gonna do now is just cut the lace off. But one thing that I wanna say about this lace is that it is extremely comfortable, very soft. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's super soft. You know, a lot of times the lace on a lot of frontals or whatever, it's very rough. Even the soft lace frontals are still kind of rough, but this one is extremely soft and even kind of stretchy. And before you guys ask, this is human hair. This is not a synthetic wig. This is completely human hair. I'm trying to find my scissors, so let me go ahead and put it on. I didn't put any like foundation or anything underneath the part or whatever. It's just regular. I do want to pull this down a little more. Boom. It's just so perfect to me. Oh, I hate when that happens. Let me get it. So yeah, this is the bob. It's just like instant bombness. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, what can you tell me? I do kind of want to put some foundation underneath because I just feel like it's kind of orange just from me like bleaching it or whatever, but other than that, I mean, I really don't have any complaints. Like, this is just the one. Let me take my thing off. Yes, I have a hole in my jumper. Yes, I have a hole in it. So what? I sure do. Let me shut up. But yeah, I am loving this bob, honey. Yeah, I can't have no jacket on with this. You just need to see. Like, first of all, look at how beautiful this hair is. It has so much luster in it. Just like, look at that. Like, ignore my whole, okay, look, so that way you can't do nothing but focus on the hair. Like, look at this hair. It's so bomb. Like, this is one of those wigs that you wear when you just trying to boss up, when you want people to know, like, girl, I'm a boss. Like, this requires a blazer. Matter of fact, I'm about to go get my blazer. I'm about to put a blazer on. Like, it's just giving me real Kim K vibes. Like, you guys remember this picture right here? Like, this is what this wig is giving me. Period. Super mom. I just look like a boss. I'm about to go get my blazer. Hold on. Like, hold on. I say, hold up. Hold up. I say, hold up. Like, do I want to go for like a Zara? Are we going for Zara? You know what? I'm gonna take that back. I look like Cardi B in this bob because, you know, low-key Kim K is canceled, so I can't really rep her. You know what I'm saying? But I could rep Cardi. Okay, boom. You see what I'm saying? Hold on. Yes. Period. With the blazer? Honey, I'm doing this rest of this video in this blazer. Right here. Yes, hello. Yes, yeah, it's the Tastemaker. I'm here for my business meeting with Fenty Beauty. Yes, thank you. I'm here. So let me go ahead and give y'all some details on this wig or whatever. My computer about to die. I think my computer died. Okay. So I'm just gonna have to go on my phone. Do you guys think I should run a flat iron over it again? I think I should, because like parts of this is like kind of dented. I don't know, it could just be me, but I feel like hair like this, it just gives you a whole new attitude. Like you just feel like a whole new person. Different hair gives you a different vibe, and honestly, this hair is so bomb. I mean, you could just see from what it's given already. Now, what I will say is that this unit is on the thinner side, but I feel like that's perfect because it makes the wig like super flat. And I have to do something with this part though, because that's not, I'm not even gonna flex. Yeah, I did just take my wig off in the middle of this video. I sure did. Sure did. It's still on the orange side. I don't really feel like that even helped at all. It looks very orange. So that's the thing that I don't like, but that's more so my fault than anything. Cause like even with my skin tone, like it's not even matching. Oh well. So this unit is 14 inches. Let me get the rest of the packaging so you guys can see what that looked like. So I got all the packaging and stuff. So it came in this little Amazon Prime situation here, and this actually, I want to say the wig came in like 2 days. Like it came super fast, like either the next day or the day after that, but it came super fast because you guys know how Amazon is. Amazon, they don't play games. Amazon does not play games with their packaging. So it came inside of this bag. So the wig was like inside of here, it had a net on it, and then it was inside of this clear bag. So it has like their company logo here. You guys probably can't see that, but it just says Lanyi, Easy and Beauty. This is a 14-inch human hair glueless lace wig. And this is in the style Bobo. Honestly, you guys, for this is my first wig I ever received off of Amazon, and I am highly impressed with the quality of this hair, how well it looks. I mean, I did put a little bit of oil on the hair, just a little bit, but this is essentially just like the natural oils in it. The only oil that I put was more so at the top, and that's just to make sure that I don't have like, you know, any flyaways or anything, but that was still very minimal. But other than that, I mean, this is just how the hair is, like all the way through. It is a jet black color, so if you're wondering, like, you know, did I dye it jet black like this? No, the unit came jet black. Yes, I did just shift my wig, okay? So yeah, the unit did come jet black and had this beautiful luster to it. I am highly impressed, and I am loving this hair right now. Let me tell you, it's so bomb. There's no tangling, obviously. They did such a good job on the cut. Like, I did not cut anything in this wig. Like, this is just legit how the wig came. The only thing that I did was straighten the hair out, and then I bleached the knots, which I made look super orange. So it looks so freaking orange right now, so I need to fix that. But you know what's weird? It looks more orange on camera than it does in real life. Let me see, maybe I'm gonna record like a little bit on my iPhone and like put some of it on camera so you guys can see like what it looks like in person. So I recorded it on my phone, so of course I'm going to insert the clip of what it looks like in person. But other than that, I highly recommend this company. This unit, I want to say, was like $100 or like $99 or whatever. It wasn't nothing more than that. I know that for a fact. I will leave a direct link down below to this unit, so if you are interested in purchasing it, you can. One of the benefits that I really like about this wig is the fact that you don't have to pluck it. It's glueless, meaning that you don't even have to put any adhesive or anything on your wig, you know, to make it secure. The straps in the back do just enough. The combs are in here, but they're very comfortable and they're not bothering me. A lot of times I always cut my combs out because the combs end up bothering me, so you know. But yeah, I just feel like an executive boss. I absolutely love this hair. This is my first experience ordering hair from Amazon, and I'm highly impressed, and I definitely see myself wanting to work with more Amazon sellers. Most of the time, a lot of the companies that I work with are from AliExpress. I would say another benefit to purchasing wigs off of Amazon is that if you have Amazon Prime, you can get your unit like super fast. Like, you don't have to depend on the company's shipping time. Like, you guys already know, you can order something on Amazon with just one click. Like, that's one thing that I love about Amazon and purchasing anything off of Amazon. Like, I don't have to put in all of my credit card information, debit card information, my address, or anything like that. If you have an Amazon account, all of that information is in there, so you can do one-click shopping, boom, you're done, and then you receive your unit really quick. So that's the benefit of shopping on Amazon versus if you were to purchase something off of like AliExpress or something like that, or just off of anybody's like independent website. That's something that you would have to consider. But Amazon, A1, absolutely love this executive bob. The hair is extremely healthy as well. Like, the ends are not like fried or anything. Like, look at these ends, they're like perfect, like just super bomb. I can't, you know how you know some hair is good when you can't stop rubbing your fingers to it. And that's one thing that I've noticed since I've had this bob in. Like, I just cannot stop rubbing my fingers in it. Like, it's just so bomb. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this hair at all. When I washed the wig, I did receive a little bit of shedding. I'm not gonna lie, I received some shedding during my initial wash. But a lot of that has to do with me bleaching the knots, because I'll tell you a little secret. When you bleach your knots on your lace fronts, on your wigs or whatever, you are weakening the knots. So when you comb or when you do anything to it, you're kind of pulling some of that hair out. But other than that, I'm not like receiving shedding right now. Not like when the hair is dry. It was just only a little bit when I was washing it. And when I say a little bit, I'm saying like maybe 5 strands of hair. Like, nothing even excessive like that to where you're like, ugh, this hair is like shedding all over the place. Not the case. This is perfect for all of you girls out there that have an office job, or maybe if you're looking for an office job, or if you have an interview or something like that. This is one of those wigs that you definitely want to wear. If you guys like this bob, definitely give this video a thumbs up letting me know. Leave a comment down below if you've ever bought a wig off of Amazon. I would like to know your experience, because this is my first ever Amazon wig, and I'm like, sis, I have been missing out. Like, there's some bomb hair out on Amazon that we just didn't know about. Like, everybody else was on AliExpress, and he was like, sis, like, did you know about these Amazon wigs though? Girl, I'm so late to the party. Whatever. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to you guys on that. Absolutely loving Lanyi hair. Thank you guys over at Lanyi, because this hair right here, sis, super bomb. Like, I have nothing bad to say. Nothing bad to say. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Ooh, hold on. Y'all got a hole in my shirt. SOD money gang. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. Take this off. Hold on. Don't say nothing. Hold on. I got the foil, cuz. Wait. Ooh, this tastes terrible. Wait. Let me do it to the top. I'm gonna do it on top. Hold on, sis. Hold on. Don't worry about nothing. Tiger? Y'all wanna talk about Tiger? Hold on, my grill falling out. Hey, my grill is real. My grill is real. Don't worry about nothing. SOD money gang. You should have changed, cuz. On Blood, I'm from Bompton. Big Draco, nigga. Look at my ice. Gucci headband. I need to wash this Gucci headband. Ain't nobody finna tell me nothing about my Gucci headband. I could buy 1,000 of them. I could buy 1,000 Gucci headbands. Y'all mad because y'all broke. Gucci? Gucci? You want to talk about, I am the reason why Gucci is where it is. Wasn't nobody wearing Gucci before Soulja started wearing Gucci. Look, back in 2006, y'all gonna respect my name. Y'all gonna give me credit where credit is due, period.